Want to start using WhatsApp on your iPad, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install WhatsApp on your iPad. Now let's get started. To download WhatsApp on iPad, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in WhatsApp at the top. Tap WhatsApp when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Touch ID, Face ID, or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete. Then tap Open to start using WhatsApp on your iPad. That's all it takes to download WhatsApp on an iPad. For more helpful WhatsApp tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of WhatsApp tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.